Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Mel, your Manager Property Investment from SMDC. So ngayon, nandito ulit tayo sa Charm Residences. After 1 year, eto na yung construction update niya. So samahan niyo ako guys at itutour ko kayo kung ano na yung pinagbago simula nung last vlog ko. So this project is located at Felix Ave, Cainta, Rizal. And as you can see guys, sa likodan ko, may mga dumadaan na mga jeep dyan kung saan 5 minutes away lamang sa LRT Line 2. And then kung naghahanap naman tayo ng mga malls, meron din tayong Santa Lucia Malls and Robinson papunta sa side ng LRT Line 2. And then dito naman din sa likodan, magkakaroon tayo ng plan dito which is yung ating Charm Mall. This is the amenity pool of Charm Residences. So good news guys, para sa mga naghahanap ng ready for occupancy within Cainta, Rizal, meron na tayong phase 1 which is si Tower A, D, and E. So kung naghahanap ka naman ng pre-selling, meron naman tayong 16,000 monthly payable in 36 months without interest. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? If gusto nyong ma-avail pa yung ating mga non-battable units dito sa Charm Residences, I will put my contact details here and inquire now para mabigyan ko kayo ng mga details. So once again guys, this is Mel Property Investment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates and more promos of SMDC. Bye!